I'm very confused because in this box is supposed to be a keyboard, but it's got birthday wrappers. Let's find out. Now, this was sent to me by my sponsor, Dust Silver, and they told me that it sounds incredible. That's a pretty manual. Wait, what? It looks very pink. Any accessories? Cable and stuff? Now, this is the Dust Silver K84, and you might notice that it's very pink. It comes in a lot of different colors, but this is the Peach Blossom version. It's a 75% keyboard that I'll have linked down below. It's unapologetically plastic. You can also use code HIPPIO to save 10% off and get a free gift. If you're on, I'm very confused because in this box is supposed to be